Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to customize your home screen on iOS. So here is my home screen. I got this two type of widgets and I got this a lot of folders of application, and as you can see that my home screen is quite crowded, so I will like to customize it a little bit. So for first customizing step, I will like to delete several folders of my home screen. The way to do that, it's so simple. You just need to go click the folder and hold it, and there will be pop up like here, and then you just need to go click remove. And you just need to confirm that you want to remove those folders from your home screen, and it's already automatically removed. You can do for the rest, guys. Here I would like to remove the games too, since I really seldom using the games, and so on and so on. So to filling the blank side here, I would like to add more widgets. You just need to go click this blank area and then hold it, and then the application will start to be shaking. And now you just need to go click this plus button, scrolling down to find the type of the widget that you can get here. So I think I will like to go with this screen time, and here you can get the analysis about the durations that you use your phone lately on a day, and then you just need to go click add widget, and you will get those into the top side of your screen. And then the next thing you need to do is just go click done. So here I already got these 2 pages, and I don't want to have this 2 page of my home screen, so I will like to remove several applications again, so that I can like bring those widget whether just the same page with the rest of the applications that I got here. So pardon me for a while. And then just need to go click, and you just need to drag this part into the left and then place them into the specific area that you want to have it, and then you just need to go click it and you're done. So you already got the new style of the home screen on your iPhone. You can just customize, follow your style and intuitions to customize your screen. So basically that's the way how to customize the screen. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.